Hi, I'm Kate Olson, and I'm a free skier based out of Aspen, Colorado. We're here today on top of Aspen Mountain, where it's a beautiful day with some fresh snow, and I'm skiing the Viva 7.4. This is a great everyday, high-performance, women-specific all-mountain ski. With 74 millimeters at the waist and a full sidewall construction, the ski is very quick edge to edge, making for fun, fast turns. The Viva 7.4 is perfect for the intermediate to advanced female skier who loves both the groomed runs and exploring the rest of the mountain.